Hi everybody. In this video, I am going to discuss some important shell program in the subject Unix and shell programming. This is the environment. I will run the shell programs. This is known as CUYG Win environment. This is the Linux environment I am running from Windows platform. So to run this software, we have to search this CUYG Win. Then in the site will appear. Click the CYG win, then select this setup 86 underscore 64 exe file. Then we'll click next, next, next. It will download in your system and they can run the software. We need to use Nano Editor. You can download Nano Editor from the CYG win environment. So I am using Nano Editor. Nano, suppose the first shell program is we have to print all even numbers in a range. Environment. The version is 4.9. We need to write the program in this environment. First of all, I need to read the data from the user. Read hyphen p option will prompt messages as well as it will take the data from the user. We can use echo with the help of read and echo and read. But here this option is very much useful. We can use read hyphen p. Then enter the limit. Enter the limit. Then the variable is n. Now, before I'm going to display the even number, we have to use a loop. So I'm using for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. So this is the loop. It starts from 1 and then it will iterate up to n and 2. Then if text of the is third bracket, then dollar equal to 0. It will check the modulus values with the 0. If it is 0, then the number is even. Then dollar I. It will display the even number I. Then to end the if statement, we have to use 5. And to end the that is control X and then Y enter. Of the even number is 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then can run the program again. Suppose limit is 20, then it will display 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Real program. Suppose fact.sh. So this is the next program, factorial. So you have to take the data from the user, read hyphen the limit, and the number is suppose n. Then the variable is fact equal to I equal to 1. Fact equal to dollar fact dollar fact into I, then done equal of factorial is save the program, control X, then Y, and run fact equal to 1, there's fact equal to fact into Y, control X, Y, enter. Then run the program again. Y, fact, fact equal, factorial is 120. So this is the result of factorial is 120. We can run the program again. Clearing the screen. Clear the program again. Enter the limit. Suppose limit is 7. It will display. The result of factorial is 5040. So this is the second program. Now I am using the third. Any range of 120. And the value is then to consider the first term, that is f0, the first term, suppose f is the first term, f1 equal to initial 0, and consider this one is f1 is initially minus 1, then that is 0. 1 I less than equal to n I plus plus, that is I plus plus, and then f3 equal to f3 equal to dollar f1 equal to dollar f2 display message, that is the range is 1 to n, then first of all add these two terms. It will display -1 plus 1 equals 0 and display the F3 value. Then swapping the F1 value, F2 value to F1 and F2 value to F3. Then it will add again. Done. Is the end of the program. Save the program, Control X, Y, run the program. This is nano. There's an unexpected errors. That is the bracket mismatch. Okay, check this. I equal to 1. Oh, there's a mismatch. Term is I'm considering -1. So -1 and +1. When the I equal to 1, then it will display -1 plus 1 equals 0. Then it will swap the first value from the second and second one third. Then it will again add 0, 1. First of all, -1 plus 1 equals 0. Then 0 minus 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3. Then it will display 5. Suppose I'm running the program again. Suppose limit is 20. Consider this one. So first one is 0. Then 0, 1 plus 0 mean 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. 13 plus 21, 34, and so on. Adding the first two term, then we'll get the third term. Then again, shifting the value to the next two term, and it will adding the number again and again. So this is the Fibonacci series. So very important program. This one is now nano prime dot sh. Read uh, hyphen p, enter the number, prime number. It will check the number is prime or not. Enter the number n. Now here I'm using for loop plus plus then to if the dollar I mod n mod I n mod I then flag the variable flag equal to initially 1. So flag equal to 1 initialize as 1. So before flag any by I, then I dollar dollar flag EQ EQ mean equal you can use then prime. Else this is echo. Number is prime. Else echo okay, I enter. Then disturb করছে এখন program sh prime. The number, suppose the number is 7. 7 is prime. Yes, 7 is prime. Now check the program again. So use clear command message. Get the number suppose 11. The number is prime. Okay, fine. Then again, suppose number is 12. Number is not prime. Yes. So this is the program through which we can check a number is prime or not. See the program again. First of all, the data from the user. Then initialize as a flag as 0. There is a for loop for I equal to I less than n by 2. Uh, Actually, dividing the number of iterations by 2. It will show the same result as when we are using I2 to n. 2 from the 1 in is itself not prime. That's why we are using I equal 2. I equal 2 I less than n by 2 and I plus plus. Then you check whether flag is equal to 0. If flag equal to 0, then the number is prime. Otherwise, then next program. Suppose nano pattern 1 dot sh. Read hyphen p, enter the then for loop, that is for I, I do Then we need to use next for loop, j, j equal to 1, j less than j plus plus. Then then print the value of j as star. Then we have to use star hyphen n will option will display one line. It will display faster then and nexter and so on. So, within a line that is star, you display star. Then line has limit five and this is the first star, second two star, three star. Here, first of all, we need to take the value from the user in. Then I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus do j equal to 1, j less than equal to I. It also is just equal. You can write equal. A single echo mean it will display nothing, just a new line that is control X. So reverse stir, that is pattern2.sh reverse stir. So again, we need to take the data from the user, enter the and then for first it will display the all loop that is 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Equal, equal to n I greater than equal to I greater than equal to 1 uh, for j equal to 1, j equal to 1, j less than equal to what's the pattern do echo hyphen n stir space done the pattern pattern2.sh. Now is the enter the limit. There is an errors. The some of the important sale programs. I will run more sale program in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it.